Damn, man. Let's go down. That is fire.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
So we bought the card and we wanna see. Yeah. So we go that way.
Every 30 minutes or something?
No, like 3-4 minutes. So right now we're in a metro. I see my hand holding there. See the other people right behind me. That's the outside. So many people subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support your boy Ayamaro. Coming live from Medellin, Colombia. I love this city a lot, man. Yeah, it's beautiful. People are good. Food is good, cheap. We got all reasons to live here. You know. Let me take you outside. You know. So we just arrived at the main station and we're gonna get out. Okay. San Javier.
Got cut off. This is nice, man.
That guy, right? So our friend is supposed to be here to pick us. So I need to ask her where she is, but you're supposed to go that way.
Oh, this way? Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna use the Metro Cables. See there? In San Javier. Wanna take this Metro Cables right there.
Wow.
Okay. So we should be waiting our friend. Our friend should be waiting us here. I don't know where she is.
Federico, ¿cómo está, my brother?
Yeah, oh. I'm good and everything is okay. Todo bien. ¿Y tú? How are you?
I'm doing good. Am I on camera?
Right there, man. Tell people about Medellin.
Okay. I'm from San Francisco, California. It's my first time in Medellin. I've been here for exactly 1 week today. Good part about Medellin, it will take me 20 minutes to tell you. The bad part about Medellin is today I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Medellin is wonderful, man. The food, the culture, the weather. I mean, I've been to Cali, I've been to Bogota, I've been to Cartagena, but there's no better place than Medellin, man. So if you have any concerns, any apprehension about coming to Medellin, let me tell you, this is the place to come to. I mean, I can give you 1,001 reasons why you should come. And you have to come here to experience this place for what it is. And I can guarantee you one thing. When you come here, you will not want to go home. Okay? I really don't want to. I come from a pretty nice city, San Francisco. But Medellin, it fits me like a glove. So listen to my boy Federico and come check out Medellin. Come out and check out Colombia, period. Don't believe the hype. I have not had one negative experience here. I've gotten so much love in Medellin. I'm coming back in July for maybe 2 to 3 weeks. You know what I'm saying? So come to Medellin, see for yourself. Don't believe the negative hype, all the other stuff people say about Medellin. You know Pablo Escobar, that guy's been dead for 25 years, okay? So we don't need to talk about him no more. Come to Medellin, enjoy the food, the culture, beautiful people, all right? I'm gonna leave it just like that, beautiful people, okay? It's wonderful, and I can guarantee you, when you come, it's gonna be a trip of a lifetime for you. Don't be scared. Come to Medellin, enjoy yourself, drink the beer, drink the tequila, and party.
Yeah, man, you've heard from the host's mouth himself. Medellin, Colombia is my favorite city. It all depends what you're looking for. But I'll say, you know, those people who come and just go to Paquejeras and sleep there 2-3 days, then say, oh, man, you need to travel and see the city. You know, you're gonna see the city intensively, you know, beyond just Paquejeras, beyond just, you know, beyond just a la 70. You need to experience things beyond that, man, you know. The food, the people, the experience of this Metro Cable, the ones you sing right there, like flowing, you know. It's, man. You know, the first time I left Africa, this was my big city. I stayed for 1 year and I fell in love with Colombia. Up to today, I'm still here, man, saying, I love you, Colombia.
Now you look back, man.
Oh, we need to go that way.
Proud of me, I didn't look back.
Huh?
I didn't look back, you proud of me.
Yeah, you don't.
Look forward,
Yeah.
don't look back. I can tell she was sick, I already know what it looked like, man. Watch out, man. Somebody behind you.
Okay. So we need to go here.
No tanto, es su segunda vez que monto en esto. Por la primera vez me dio mucho miedo.
¿Tú tienes mucho miedo?
No, que la segunda vez que monto.
Okay.
Y la primera me dio mucho susto.
What, we go?
Just fear.
Okay, hi. It's okay.
Ay,
Just close your eyes.
no, que no me dio poco nada.
¿Está montando allá?
Sí. No, en avión me da miedo montar. Y en esto sí.
Va por el aire.
¿Usted cree que yo montaba en ese día de por allá?
¿Y cuál?
El que queda por Bello, que es más miedoso
¿El
todavía.
del Carmen? ¿El parque Arby?
Ah. No he ido por allá porque me da miedo montar en eso.
The young lady right here is a little bit scared, but she'll be okay. No problema. Tranquilo, tranquilo. Oh.
Yeah, man. So right here we're riding.
Ay, ese pues no, miro, yo no miro por allá para abajo. Me da mucho susto.
Ahí es el que para poder quitar el día hay que mirar.
Qué miedo, ay.
Welcome to Medellin. Mira, mira. Todo hombre aquí ayuda.
Look. It's okay. No, it's okay.
Déjeme así quietecita que yo me voy acá.
Suave.
¿Tú antes viajas con avión?
Sí, yo he viajado en avión, pero aquí me...
Ese es como avión.
Ay, no, ¿por qué no?
No, montése en una avioneta de...
Ah, no, avioneta no.
De San Andrés a Providencia, para que sí, así se...
bonita.
Da miedo.
Sí.
Ah, bueno.
Cuando fui a San Andrés me dio mucho miedo cuando el avión estaba así en el mar
Dando
así.
vuelta.
Ay, bonito. Yo decía, ay, qué rico quedarme por aquí, no volver. Ay, eso sí que me dio miedo a mí también, oiga.
Porque es que cuando ustedes San Andrés a Providencia, el
They got a
muy alto,
fantastic
casi
metro
muy
system here.
Yeah.
It's my boy Federico from Kenya.
Yeah, man.
Africa.
Yeah, man.
Es peor
Yeah.
el mar o la tierra.
Anyway.
Ay, ya me
Yes,
todo,
man.
todo.
And should give the video a like. We're right here in Medellin, Colombia, riding Metro
Right,
Cable.
man.
You
Yeah,
see how the
man.
outside looks like?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. He's just living that dream, you know, step by step, no pressure.
Federico.
Yeah, she's a little afraid of.
Wait.
Yeah,
Ay, que está coja de
she's a little
No, dígale que yo
afraid.
tengo miedo, yo tengo mucho miedo.
Uh-huh.
So
Me da mucho
Federico,
Yeah, man.
the Kenyan, I don't want to say P-I-M-P, got the chest all over
Es la
and shit.
segunda vez que
Yeah.
monto.
Play with it.
Right here,
Ya
right
vamos a
here.
llegar.
Nice.
¿Para dónde va? ¿Por qué parte?
Hay que
look
para...
right there.
Es que más difícil que la montaña. Es una-
Entonces va en la estación Juan 23.
No, es que cuánto se inauguró ahora allá
Ah,
arriba.
la Aurora falta mucho.
¿Sí?
Sí.
Ay, es que sea como yo vine fue de noche.
Ah, ya. Va para la Aurora, mejor dicho.
Sí, que me bajo en la estación.
Ah, para la urbanización Montañitas.
Eso, montañitas. Queda muy retirado de ahí.
De la Aurora hay que subir como unos 3 o 4 cuadros.
Man, where you been on this before, man?
Yeah,
Okay.
many times.
Okay.
Even there's another one the other side.
Of Medellin?
Yeah, there are two this type of systems.
Okay.
La Aurora hay que bajar.
And you see down here how it is.
Y es que eso tiene otra estación.
Ahí,
Antes de
aquí
llegar
para
a la
allá,
Aurora.
De aquí para allá, esta es la primera,
¿Se llama cómo?
esta es la Juan 23.
Sí.
Después sigue Vallejuelos. Y de Vallejuelos sigue la Aurora.
Tío, como llego por la noche.
Ah,
Beautiful, man.
Yeah.
This is Medellin, man. Medellin, Colombia.
El Picacho en esto.
Yes. I
Ya
think it's one of the
están
most
trabajando por allá.
beautiful
Sí, ya.
city in Colombia.
Dicen que lo entregan ahorita en mediados de octubre.
Beautiful.
Son 2 kilómetros.
Ujú.
Vamos a mover 150.000 diarios.
All I need is you, baby.
Welcome to